Canva is an amazing resource that many educators are using to either create new materials or use some of their off-the-shelf resources from their library. Something like this is really a nice resource for learners. It shows the journey of a water droplet. It's got the cartoon character there, and it also shows the stages of a water cycle. However, this resource alone is not accessible because the text is locked within the image. So how can you take something like this and elevate it, make it even better, and importantly, make it accessible and inclusive for your audience? I'm going to show you how really simply, really quickly. So the first thing might be to actually just add in some simple hotspots, which have just got the text that's on the image contained within the hotspot. So here we have, where does the water come from? But the point about this now is that you've already got the ability to use the immersive reader and translate it into different languages, use the read aloud option, but also you can then click this button here at the bottom and it plays it almost like a website, a web page where you can use screen readers and other tools as well for accessible. So immediately you've made it more accessible and inclusive for your learners, because you don't know the requirements of all of your learners. So this is about creating accessible resources for all. So we've just added in a few hotspots there, which show the text in the tags, but what if we added media into the tags as well? So here I've got the same ThingLink and I've just added some images in the tags, and I got these directly in the ThingLink interface, searching on the image library, which you've all got access to, and this is also copyright free. So now we've got little images that actually match what's in that point. So the hotspots are placed strategically to guide our learner through the experience. And we've even got a few images in there which we can play as a carousel to show the journey from tap to raindrop. But we can make it even better. So let's have a look at what we could do with it. How about
let's follow the journey of a water
using a little bit of AI to bring that character to life, who's engaging with the learners and connecting with them, all about from a tap to a raindrop. And of course, we can add model videos into the tags too, which again, completely bring it to life. You'll also notice that these tags are now opening in sequence. So I'm guiding the learner through this experience, and they have to open the tags in sequence. This reduces cognitive load as well. So there's so many different ways in which you can use ThingLink to completely elevate that experience and importantly, make it accessible and inclusive. And it doesn't just stop there. Imagine your posters on the walls. This is a poster for student safety I've made, and I've even got
Hello, I'm the principal.
A message from the principal in there to remind students that their safety is an important aspect of their life on campus. And of course, even for staff, making posters which you might create with AI, infographics, those style of images, all of these can be made accessible with ThingLink.